Alright, so today, the plan for today. We are going to an abandoned train in Boston, take photos, explore, then go to the city, see what we get involved in. I want to get on some roofs, because I haven't been on roofs in so long. And yeah, just take some photos like the usual, and yeah.
5 rings on like Brady, 10 hoes in no baby. 5 rings on like Brady, 10 hoes in.
Oh shit, we made it to the city. Now we gotta go find this train. Out here in this cold ass weather. Yo, look at all these fucking geese out here.
Yeah, he's fat though.
Yo.
That one's super fat.
Y'all out here.
No, they're gonna attack you, Dick. I'm not gonna.
Yo, they're pissed.
Help you, bro.
Yo, you scared?
No, but there's a lot of them, dog.
Oh, this looks so weird because I'm using my other lens. We're shooting. Couldn't get onto the train tracks.
Not yet. Tomorrow.
The abandoned train. The abandoned train.
Yeah.
Could not find a way in.
Too cold right now.
And the kid who gave us the location, acting goofy. So we here now.
So we walk this shit on the right.
Yeah.
And you gotta walk all the way, actually halfway, and then jump down. Little patio.
This is actually fire though.
Here.
I like that.
The
Oh no! Yo, that train almost just fucking hit me. Oh my god, dude. Oh my god, I was just in the middle of that and I fucking dipped. Oh. Yo, where the fuck is it? No way, yo, my fucking heart. So we came here to the spot on a bridge with like water under us and shit.
Yeah, bro.
Yo, dead ass, a fucking train. A fucking train.
We just
Just came at us. Like we were like.
Honestly, dude, I thought usually there's like no trains that come through here whenever I'm here, and I've been here for hours, but
Yeah.
that was like a first that ever happened.
This is the first time I've ever been here, and I just looked up and saw the light, and I fucking dipped.
Yo.
Like, all right, we out of here after almost dying.
What up?
Out, alive in one piece. Bro, the amount of geese that are just chilling over here is absurd.
We didn't die, so that's
Oh yeah,
very good.
that's always a good thing. Bro, look at all of them.
Yo, let's go up here. We don't have to, like, disturb people.
No, I want to walk by him, bro. Are you scared?
Well, I don't want to get fucking bitten by
They're not gonna fucking fight us.
geese.
Yo, we're just passing through. Bro, there's so many. What up, white boy? Gang. They weren't having it. They weren't letting me take photos of them. They would always run away if I got too close. Yo, my hands are so cool. Just departed from my photographer friends. And now, walking into John's house. Neither of them are here. I guess they're getting gas, according to his dad. So, I'm gonna wait it out.
Young boy from New England, I bet the Falcons hate me.
I'm mad tired. So today, hopefully, I don't know why I just went like this. Today, don't look at me like that. Today, we are going to hopefully do what I wanted to do yesterday because I'm mad I didn't get to do that. I really wanted to go on that train.
Wait, what?
We were gonna go on that abandoned train.
Oh yeah, the abandoned train.
Yeah, so hopefully we're gonna do that today or something interesting like that because I really wanted to go. But the kid that gave us directions was a fucking pussy. So, yeah. Yeah, I'll do a first try right here.
Suck a dick. Boom!
Hey!
Alright, now what?
We just woke up. No, we didn't. We woke up like an hour ago. It's like 9 o'clock. Actually, 2 hours ago. And now we're just flipping bottles, chilling. First person.
Oh! Woo!
Second tryout here. What you know about that? I'm the best bottle flipper ever known. What you gotta say? Nothing.
Stand still. Stand still. I'm gonna try to get your head. I'm gonna try to get it on your head. You're gonna flatten your head out, man. That's like, alright. Nah, that's not gonna work.
Yeah, not a chance, bro.
We
My
need
shit's
to,
too round.
We need to like.
What you know about that, boy?
One step down.
Oh, through the legs. Oh, fucking shit.
I'm gonna go one step down. I just gotta find that sweet spot.
That's the sweet spot.
That's the sweet one.
The sweet spot. That was switch. That was switch. What you know about that? That was switch. You know? You know? You know? Peep that. Peep that.
I gotta jump.